Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 5, Jojo's Pet. The lesson is about a small baby bird. The lesson is about a baby bird. Once, Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. The baby bird wing was hurt. One of the wing of the bird was hurt as it fell down from the nest. So the wing was hurt as it was hopping in the bushes. Jojo saw the baby bird the hurt and he wanted to help it. So he took the baby bird in the basket to his home, and along with him he took one hammer, some nails and some wood to build the house to baby bird, and he gave treatment to the injury as well as he built a house to the baby bird, and he named the baby bird Tweety. Now he collected the insects for the baby bird to feed it. He caught some insects for Tweety to eat, and also he gave fresh drinking water in a cup. Now within few days the hurt was gone. Now baby bird has started flying, and here Tweety was very naughty. One morning Jojo couldn't find his top, so he was searching for his top, and it was getting late for his school, so he put on one boot. Now another boot he couldn't put on it as something was stuck into it. So when he shook it, the boot, what happened? He saw a top fell down from the boot. Now Tweety flapped her wings and started laughing like tweet tweet. That is the way of laughing. Jojo also laughed at Tweety. Then he picked up his bag and left to school. That is about Jojo's Pet. Children, now we will discuss the textbook bits of Jojo Pets. Okay? Now look at the screen, children. Here first, comprehension. In comprehension, bit A, write T for true or F for false. Okay? The first one is done for us, children. Here the first question is, Jojo was looking for a baby bird. Jojo was looking for a baby bird, and the answer is false. So Jojo was looking for a baby bird? No. He was not looking for a baby bird. So the answer is false. Second question, Jojo found a baby bird in the bushes. So where do he found the baby bird, children? In the bushes. So the answer is true. Write T in the blank. True. Next, third question, children. Jojo named his new pet Tweety. So Jojo named his new pet Tweety. Yes, it's true. He named the baby bird as Tweety. Write T in the blank, children. Next, fourth question. Tweety hide the top in a bag. Tweety hide the top in a bag. Where did Tweety hide the top, children? It hide in a boot, not in a bag. So the answer is false. Write F in the blank, children. Next, bit C. Bit B will note down in the notebook, children. Now bit C, write questions for the given answers. Choose from the box. So here the answers are given and questions are given in the box. Now choose the correct question and write in the blank, children. Okay? Now here, the first one is done for us. Look here. Tweety was a bird. And the question is, who was Tweety? Who was Tweety? Tweety was a baby bird. So answers are given. Now you have to write the question, children. Now we'll read the second answer. Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Now what is the question for this answer, children? Option 1 is the question. Where did Jojo find Tweety? Where did Jojo find Tweety? Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Okay. So here first option is the second question, children. Write in the blank. Where did Jojo find Tweety? So Jojo found Tweety in the bush. As it is a question, put question mark at last. Now the third answer, children. Tweety could not fly because she was hurt in one wing. Tweety could not fly because he was hurt in one wing. Now what is the question? Why could Tweety not fly? Here the question is, why could Tweety not fly? So the question is, why could Tweety not fly? So as it got hurt in one wing, it couldn't fly. Okay. Now fourth answer, children. Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. So Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. So the question is, what did Jojo give Tweety to eat? The question is, what did Jojo give Tweety to eat? What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Put question mark. Okay. Now once we'll read, children. Question and answer. All of you read along with me. Who was Tweety? Answer is, Tweety was a baby bird. Second question. Where did Jojo find Tweety? And the answer is, Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Now third question, children. Why could Tweety not fly? And the answer is, Tweety could not fly because she was hurt in one wing. Next, fourth question. What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? And the answer is, Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. Okay. Now next bit, children. Bit play with words. In play with words, bit D, write the group names for each set of words. Write the group name for each set of words. So here a set of words is given in each question and the name of the group is given in the box. Choose the correct option and write in the blank, children. Here the options are furniture, games, birds, fruits. Okay. Furniture, games, birds, fruits. Now the set of words in the first question, children. Cricket, ludo, chess, hockey. All these are games. Okay. Now the second question, children. Duck, penguin, hen, parrot. What are these? Duck, penguin, hen, parrot. All these are birds. So here the answer is birds. Write birds in the blank, children. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Now next third question. Apple, guava, pear, mango. Apple, guava, pear, mango. What are these set of words, children? These are fruits. Write fruits in the blank. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Now next fourth question, children. Here the words in the fourth question are Table, chair, sofa, bed. Table, chair, sofa, bed. What are these, children? These are furniture. What are these? Furniture. Write furniture in the blank. Furniture. 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 Okay. Now next, children, bit E. Drop the E at the end and make ing words, ing words. So here the words are given, children. You should drop E. In place of E, you have to write ing. So that will make the ing form words. Okay. See the first question. Come. C-O-M-E, come. Now the word is coming. C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. In place of E-I-N-G, we have to write. Then we call these words as ing form words. Now the second question, children. Here the word in the second question is make. M-A-K-E, make. Now what you have to do? You have to drop E. So write down M-A-K. In place of E, write down I-N-G. Making. M-A-K-I-N-G. Making. Next, third question, children. Write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Now you should drop E and write down I-N-G. Then the new word is writing. Write, writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Now next, the fourth word, children. Smile. Smile, smiling. So write smiling here in the blank, children. S-M-I-L-I-N-G, smiling. Okay. Now next, fifth one, children. Ride. R-I-D-E, ride. Now write ing form, children. R-I-D-I-N-G, riding. Now the last sixth word, children. Love. L-O-V-E, love. Now write ing to love, children. That is loving. L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. Okay. Now once we'll read all the words, children. Come, coming. Read along with me. Make, making. Write, writing. Smile, smiling. Ride, riding. Love, loving. Okay. Now next, spelling. In spelling, bit F, children, fill in double letters to make words from the lesson. So these words are from the lesson, and here two letters from each word are missing, and they are the double letters. Now fill the double letters here in the blank and see what is the word, children. So here the first word is H-O dash dash I-N-G. H-O dash dash I-N-G. So what are the words you have to, what are the letters you have to write in there? It's P-P. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. It's hopping. Second one, children. C-A dash dash I-E-D. C-A dash dash I-E-D. So the missing letters are R-R. C-A-R-R-I-D. Carried. Now the third one, children. H-A dash dash E-R. So what is the word? What he carried? What Jojo carried to home? It's hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. He carried hammer, some nails and wood. Now next fourth question children. Better. So what the letters are missing here? TT are missing. That is better. Better. Next fifth one children. SCH dash dash L. So what are the letters children? Guess it. It's OO. SCHOOL. School. Now the last word children. FLE dash dash ED. That is the missing letters are PP. FLEPPED. Flopped. Okay. Now once we'll read the words. All of you read along with me. First one hopping. Second carried. Third hammer. Fourth better. Fifth school. And the last sixth word is flapped. Okay children. Now with this we have completed comprehension, play with words and spellings. Now the remaining bits in tomorrow's session we will discuss children. Now with this we'll close today's session. Now coming to today's year homework, complete bit A, C, D, E, F in your textbook. Learn and write bit A, C, D, E, F in your textbook. Okay children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.